As a professional or DIY detailer, you'll quickly notice that there are tough to reach places on a vehicle. Door handles, emblems, wheel wells, and side mirrors are nearly impossible to reach with 3, 5, or 6-inch backing plates. That's why extension shafts are a real game changer. Hey guys, it's Emmanuel from Maxshine. One of our best sellers here at Maxshine is our universal stainless steel rotary extension shaft set. In the set, you'll find 3 extension shafts, and these are meant only for rotaries. What this does is give you now extra length to get into those hard to reach areas. Today, we have a minivan in the garage. Let's take a look around and see what areas we can now hit with our rotary and extension shaft set. Now that we've taken inspection to the minivan, we have a spot here that's pretty hard to reach, right here by the license plate, where the front of the polisher can potentially hit the edge here. So we want to give it a little bit extra room so that we have more freedom to move around how we like. And now coming this way, we have our bottom side skirt that is really hard to reach because it's small and at a weird angle. So down here, when we now are trying to polish it, it's really close to the paint. So with the extra length, we can now have a little bit more freedom and not have to worry about the tip of the polisher hitting the paint. So at the front end, we have our front bumper. We're also similar, very hard to reach in a small area. Our field of vision is blocked by the polisher. So adding that extension gives us more visibility, being able to see where you're working, where you're polishing. That's kind of what we want and what the extension shaft can give us. Right away with the extension shaft, we can see that there's a lot more visibility. And since we're here in the front, we can hit the chrome pieces on the front end, even headlights or other areas where there's a little bit of paint up here or chrome. So let's get started. As you can see, now the polisher is not in my way and I could use the edge of the pad to my best ability. So here on the side of the minivan, we have now a lot more clearance with our extension, so we don't run into hitting the paint. Let's get started. See how we can now look, and we are polishing with safety. So here towards the back end of the car, we have an area where some extra length is needed so you don't bump into this body line here. Let's get started. You can see why this is one of Maxshine's top sellers. By having the extension shaft set, now gives you the ability to reach those hard to reach areas. It has a strong build quality made of stainless steel, prevents against rust, and is very durable. Also, the 5/8 11 thread is compatible with most, if not all, rotary polishers on the US market. Let us know your thoughts on the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.